Go for it. Alright, so we're switching out the Mega drum right now. First thing you have to do is take off a spring here and then a spring there to release the oscillator tray. Then you pull out the Mega vacuum tube. You got 3 screws that you remove for this bracket which holds this side of the drum. They just take the Allen wrench and then that will slide out. And then you simply just pull on this, kind of wiggle it a little bit, and it pulls right out of there. One thing you have to take note of is right here you've got this hole. That hole lines up with a pin on each of the drums, so you got to make sure it's rotated correctly. And the other thing is when you remove the drum, sometimes it gets caught on this corner here. You kind of have to push this down when you pull out the drum initially. So when you want to swap different Mega sleeves, you pull out the ends and you put it on a different sleeve, the one that you need. And you've got a little pin on there that lines up with that hole, that little slot, and this one just slips on, and then you're ready to go there. And then you're going to line up that pin so it kind of slips in there, and then it kind of just sits there like that, and you push on your bracket there, which has the 3 screws.
¿Esa es la misma semilla, Don? ¿Me dice que poquita aquí?
You need these?
Ajá.
Okay.
Para plantar a mano.
Okay.
¿Claro?
Gracias. And then you put the oscillator tray back on. Spring on that side. That spring right there is already on there. And then you're ready to go once you put the vacuum tube back on.